Let's see how to upload PHP website in Hostinger. First of all, we need to log into our Hostinger H panel. Here we will see the hosting section. So we are going to click on Manage. Now from the left menu, we will select the domain where we want to upload our PHP website. Once the domain is selected, here you will see the File Manager option. Just click on it. At first we will upload our website files, then I will show you how to upload the database. Now from here select public_html. Now from the top click on upload, select the file. I have added all the files of my website to one zip file, so I am going to select my zip file and then click on open. So our zip file is now uploaded. Now we are going to extract it. Just right click on it, click on extract, give your folder a name. Click on extract. Now open the folder where you have extracted the website files. Select all the files by pressing Ctrl A from your keyboard. Now right click on these files and then click on move file. Currently our path is public_html/php. So we are going to move these files to the main folder, which is public_html. So double click on this folder icon. So our files are now moved. Now click on move again. So our website files are now uploaded successfully to Hostinger. Now if you want to edit the code of any file, just right click on it and then click on edit. And now from here you can easily edit the code. To create a database, go back to Hostinger dashboard again. Click on databases, select management from here. Now here we need to add our database name, database username and password. And once we are done, we are going to click on create from here and our database will be created. Now scroll down and here you will see enter PHP my admin. Just click on it. Now from the top click on import. Now click on choose file. Select the database file from your computer and then click on open. And in this way your PHP website database will be uploaded. Once your database is uploaded, you can easily configure it from here. So this is how you can upload PHP website in Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.